This is the India. This is the China border. Raja. Just check it out. Just having fun. Whoa, this is साल खिए यार साल खिए यार साल खलम ini साल खलम get down. Let's take it up, guys. This is the view of Dumbur. Everybody visit. Everybody visit this shit. Hi guys, let's take it up. Wow, what a view. Flash. Oh, light it again. Guys, finally we reached. This is the view of Dumbur. Just check it out. Wow, what a view. Wow. Bisa kabang pol khai kya tiki ya na. Jodoh bike. We're gonna keep it on the mountain. Wow. Finally. Ferry. Madam, bakhay people no? Passing the water through this hill area. Check it out, guys. How they are sending the water. Yeah, this guy we are chilling now. We are going for the chilling. You have to walk careful. So I'm gonna be showing you the waterfall. Yeah, this one. It's called Dumbur. The main point is this side. The people are right over there. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Wow. So amazing. This is the view, guys. Check it out. And this is the water which is coming from the top, and this is a small stream. that side is I'm gonna showing you that side is the main dam, so the water is come through this. Before the water is good use through this, check it out. And right now another side is this one, the hot water they are sending through this water. Check it out, man. The water's so clean, and some people there. Oh, we're gonna try the local beer, rice beer. So we're gonna drink right now, and we have some drink. This is the food. Check it out. What is that? Yeah, this is the roasted pork. Yeah. We're gonna chill, and this is the chilling. And that's how he's taking by people. But it's just sitting right over here. The clean water. This is clean water. The environment is dirty a little bit because the people they don't want to clean. So nature, and now it's fresh. The wind is blowing. I'm gonna test the fried rice from Dumbur. Yeah, I'm just speaking little. So I'm gonna test the food. Nice. Yeah. Huh? The view, right? Wow, Dumbur.